Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about the top mistakes to avoid while preparing for the CompTIA Security SY0-701 exam. While the exam is challenging, avoiding these common mistakes can make a world of difference in your preparation. So let's get started. One of the biggest mistakes candidates make is focusing too much on memorizing facts, acronyms, and definitions without really understanding the underlying concepts. CompTIA Security Plus is all about applying knowledge in real-world scenarios, so it's crucial to grasp the why and how behind each topic. Instead of just memorizing terms like IDS, IPS, or VPN, focus on how they function in network security and when to apply them. The exam will test your ability to use that knowledge practically. Preparation without a proper plan is like navigating without a map. Many candidates jump straight into random topics, losing track of what's important and what needs more attention. The Security Plus exam covers 6 domains and each has its weight in the exam. Without a structured study plan, it's easy to spend too much time on one area and neglect others. Break down your study schedule by topic and allocate enough time for revision and practice questions. One of the best ways to prepare for the certification exams is by taking practice tests. But here's where the mistake comes in. Many candidates take them without analyzing the results thoroughly. It's not just about getting a high score, it's about understanding why you got questions wrong. Review your mistakes, focus on weak areas, and use practice exams to track your progress over time. All right, that's the end of this video. If you found this video helpful and you want to prepare for your exams using practice questions, visit pass4future.com and start preparing for your upcoming certification exams.